Hi guys, I am Nikhil Joshi. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. You won't find this topic anywhere on the YouTube, anywhere else. So today we are going to talk about the future of IT industry. So as you know, IT industry is one of the biggest industries in India. It exports around $150 billion worth of services. Now we are going to talk about its future, what the outlook looks like. Let's start with the chart of Indian IT industry. I'm 100% sure you haven't seen this chart anywhere else. When was the IT industry started in India? It was in 80s when Tata, started its own IT arm. They were exporting. But the Indian IT industry that we know, the huge giant, as of today, that started in 1991. So in 1991, Government of India set up what is called STPI, Software Technology Parks of India. So that was a huge initiative in parallel to the liberalization that was anyway going on in the 90s. So it gave a big boost to the Indian IT industry, incentivizing them to spread their wings and go global. So I am taking 5th June 1991, 10 a.m. New Delhi as the birth of Indian IT industry. And we have to remember, this is not any company specific. It's IT industry as a whole. So now let's look at the chart of Indian IT industry. It is Karka Lagna, Cancer Ascendant, and the Chandra Rashi is Kumbha or Aquarius. Now it's a very interesting chart. So currently Saturn is in Capricorn as per the current position of Saturn. So that means Sade Sati has started for Indian IT industry from January 26, 2020. So what is Sade Sati? Sade Sati is basically hard work, being conservative, returning back to the roots, not venturing out into too many things which you will not be able to accomplish. Accomplish the tasks at hand. Be conservative. So basically it is, sustaining your business, not doing too many experiments at this point. So the Indian IT companies in these 7 years would be very conservative with respect to mergers and acquisitions, with respect to moving into new technologies. Like you might have heard about blockchain, robotics and n number of things. Everyone was running around in different directions. But now this will all change. We will come back to the basics. What are the basics in IT industry? Your normal programming languages. You have to be strong in that. Your ERP implementations, your databases, they are the bread and butter of any IT services. So the companies will now need to focus on the basics and not run after machine learning, artificial intelligence, where we do not know whether those things will help in growing the company or not. Of course, I am not saying that the IT industry will not adopt anything new, but what I am trying to say is the focus should not be lost on what is the bread and butter, the core, the base of Indian IT industry. So that focus will now need to come from the management, from the employees, from the clients, everyone. They have to understand what is important and what is good to have. So moving on, as I mentioned, clients. So Saturn is in the 7th house of clients. Now what does that mean? There will be delays in the deals. The deals will not come by very easily. So clients will think twice, thrice, 10 times before signing any big deals. How about the employees? That I think you would be more interested in. Employees are 6th house, and currently Jupiter will be transiting for most part of the year till 2020, November 2020. It is a very good time to complete your certifications. When Jupiter is supporting you from the certifications perspective, upskilling perspective, just go ahead. The time is suitable till November 2020. From increments perspective, we have to be practical because of the corona situation, and also because Jupiter sitting in the 6th house of IT industry is not helping that much from salary increase perspective. Do not take any new debt. Do not take any new loans at this point in time. When Jupiter will move to 7th house, that is Capricorn, in November 2020, that is a good time for increments, for salary increases and bonuses. So that period will be from November 2020 to for a 1 year, almost a year from then. So what are the challenges? So we have to again remember, guys, this is Sade Sati going on for IT industry. Sade Sati happens once in 30 years for an individual or for an entity. So when was the first Sade Sati here? So it was in the 90s, in the 1992. But then what happened in year 2000? Indian IT industry came out of it with flying colors, and boy, do you see the growth. Have you seen the growth of Indian IT industry after that? So this is the period, these 7 years, these 7.5 years are the years for hard work, persistence, consistency, beating the odds, beating the competition. So it will be a challenging environment. It is not going to be a smooth sailing, guys. The last 30 years, so the newcomers in the Indian IT industry, they would have probably only seen the years after 2000. These 20 years were glorious, except 2008 where, because of global financial crisis. But still, they were glorious years. This is now going to change, guys. So Ketu will bring in unnecessary expenses for IT industry till at least end of this year, and then Venus Antardasha will start. Now during this Antardasha, now we have to remember Venus is not in a very good shape actually. Even if it is in Lagna, it is the 11th lord as well. It is in enemy sign, that is in the sign of moon. Also, according to Ashtak Varga, it is not in a very good shape. So what will happen? So basically the IT industry will be very focused on profits, and the profits will not come by easily. We could see a declining trend in profits, especially from any industries which are related to water or entertainment or luxury, retail. So these kind of industries, will shrink in size, and the IT industry will be hit because of loss of these clients. To sum up, the Indian IT industry will have to gear up its boots, will have to be more conservative, be more realistic, not to take many hasty decisions or venture out in unrelated things that are not to its core business. Employees have to figure out how to upskill themselves and not get lured by fancy technologies that are coming up. If you are interested, yes, go ahead, but don't feel left out that, hey, I am not doing any artificial intelligence stuff, so I am a lesser coder. No, guys, your core skills, database, C++, Java, .NET, these are now going to help you, because the Indian IT industry is going to focus on the core skills. Even the clients are going to focus on the core skills. So guys, I hope you liked the video, liked the topic, and found the content interesting, educational and beneficial. Please do let me know if you want to explore this topic further, or you want my analysis on any other industry, any other topic. I would be very happy to make those videos. Thanks a lot. Take care.